ó tún rédíò owó ti yọ àti pé ó tún ti ẹfẹ̀ ní sáà máa sùn yẹ ká jà ìlọ ó tún ẹfẹ̀.
kí pé kò tiẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àwọn tó dànù bí mo sanwó ṣá báwo ni mo ṣe rí lẹ́nu lẹ́yìn ọdún kan.
alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ inú mi dùn wọ́n dẹ̀ ní lẹ́yìn olódodo lọ́nà ń wà nǹkan tí mo kàn máa sọ ni pé nǹkan tó ní kálukú bá ń ṣe ni kò máa ṣe lọ tó bá ń ṣe dáadáa tí gbogbo ayé bá ń ṣépè fún ẹ àdúrà máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tó lè ṣe tó bá ń ṣaburú kò sí bèrò ṣe lè pọ̀ tó lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ tó bá ń ṣaburú tí gbogbo ayé bá ń ṣàdúrà fún ẹ àdúrà máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tó lè ṣe. I remember the first time we came here. Before we came here with my lawyer, the kind of humiliation tí mo gbà nílé ọ̀dọ̀ mi. My compound was videoed. My cars, the plate numbers of my cars in my compound was videoed. Everything was recorded and posted it online. I have never seen that kind of humiliation. Anybody can take anybody to court. Court is for human, not an animal. There are ways we could do something if truly we want judgment. There are ways we could do something if we want better Nigeria. But the way I was served, the way I was bullied, intimidated, subjected, the kind of ridicule the so-called person, subjected my family, my children, my husband, my name. I'm a very easygoing person. Everybody knows me. I only dance to market my business. I don't interfere in people's business. I don't put my mouth in things that doesn't concern me. And nobody can force me to continue to pay the blackmailers. For how long am I going to keep paying the blackmailers? We've been paying them for so many years. We work so hard. We don't sleep. How can someone just sit down in one corner? I've been bullying people. So I just realized that even if I'm facing this lover that is bullying me, another person will come and face me in real life and be bullying me, subjecting me to. The first day I stepped into this place, I said, Lord, if I had known nothing, with the humiliation this thing has subjected me to, let me come out here with victory. And today, I will tell the whole world, keep doing good, keep speaking the truth. Never join hands to bring anybody down. Never be an enemy of successful ones, because those at the top are lonely and they are extremely hardworking. God can never be mocked. When God gives you wisdom, He gives you to give people. When God gives you money, God gives you that money to give other people. Whatever God gives you in a positive way, He gives you to give other people. But situation whereby you want to continue destroying people, believe me, God will destroy you further. I would like to say thank you to my lawyer. This man here is not just a lawyer. This man here is an angel. You see, you make me know, or you make me value wisdom. You make me value wisdom. You see, when someone is highly intelligent, it is sure 100% that such person will be successful in future. My brother, there's no how you will not be. You will surely be successful. Amen. You will sure, because what you dictated, man. I remember we did the Idumata together. And when they betray us at Idumata, I never give up on you. Because I could see your smartness, your boldness, your everything. I just have that belief. You know that Idumata would have separated us. But I was like, this man is smart. And when I see smart people, I fall in love. You don't need to give me money. Once you are smart, I will fall in love with you. That is one thing about me. There's something I noticed about this man. He's so smart. And when this case happened, I was like, okay, let him come again. Somebody said, the person that did Idumata, I said, forget Idumata. If there is God, there will be judgment about Idumata. Yes. I said, this man, I'm using this man again, and look at us here today. We are all smiling together. Lawyer B, ọ̀run bá mi ṣe dáadáa fún yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín. You make this July is a special month. July 17 is my wedding anniversary. And this is the biggest gift God has given to me. Because this case started before my wedding. And the case now doubled. This time 5 years ago. After my wedding. You don't understand? And the special gift God gave to me through you today, heaven will bless you. You see this land that you are matching, it will bless you. Whatever you stay on this land doing, it will be blessed. Thank you.
Sir, with these judgments, what is your reaction about this court and the judge that decided over the
You see, I don't want to say much about court or about the judge. I don't know much about it. You see, we are here today. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Sure, you understand? Don't forget that these blackmailers, they've been taking me to station, taking me to series of courts. They took me to Iyalenu. This is how God helped me. And I want everybody to know, most especially married women out there and all the single mothers out there. Let me tell you something. Whatever you are facing in life, remember Lizzy Anjorin. Keep pushing. But be òtítọ́ dání. Always stand with the truth. Keep pushing. No matter what, keep pushing. Don't let anybody subject you. Don't let anybody, ridicule you. Stand strong. You don't understand? This is July. Abi?
Yes.
In the next 9 days, I'll have my 50 years wedding anniversary. Many court cases. I'm over 40 years in business. I've been saying this. I'm over 40 years. I started business. I started hawking at age of 4. I follow my mother around to hawk amala, to hawk eba, hawk gari. I started at age of 4. Till today, I have never been to station or court. Due to business, I have never stepped my feet to any police station due to business. But going to court and station, due to you come for me, and I'm trying to defend myself, and you take me to court or station. Are you trying to tell the court and station that why did I defend myself? Because I don't know why we are here. I don't know why police, if I'm sleeping in my house, they will come to my house around 2 a.m. to come and pick me up, saying from Abuja, from Iyalenu. I don't know. And I'm begging Nigerians to save me from hand of these blackmailers. I'm begging Nigeria to save me from hand of this lover. And it's not only Lizzy Anjorin, a lot of people are going through the same thing. The moment you stop paying this lover, they will start taking you to stations and courts. And I'm begging Nigerians, castigating the whole world against innocent people. The whole world can testify that I mind my business, I do my business. I'm saying thank you to Nigerians. Thank you to everybody. Dilo, thank you too.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, O2FM Lagos. Bye.